Once upon a time, in a land not too far away, there lived a little caterpillar named Carl. Now, Carl wasn't like any ordinary caterpillar. He had the most extraordinary shoes you could ever imagine. Carl's shoes were made of the softest velvet and shone like the brightest stars in the night sky. With each step he took, a little jingle would sound, as if the shoes were singing a sweet melody. Every day, Carl would venture out into the forest, his shoes tapping rhythmically on the forest floor. He would greet all the animals he met along the way, from the busy bees to the wise old owl. His shoes seemed to have a magical effect on everyone around him. They brought smiles to the faces of even the grumpiest creatures. But as the sun dipped below the horizon and the stars began to twinkle, Carl knew it was time to head back home. With a sigh of contentment, he crawled into his cozy little cocoon and drifted off to sleep. And as he slept, his shoes continued to softly sing their sweet melody, bringing comfort and joy to all who heard them. And so, with his magical shoes and a heart full of kindness, Carl the caterpillar lived happily ever after, spreading love and joy wherever he went. For in the end, it wasn't the shoes that made Carl special, but the love and kindness that filled his heart. And that, my dear friends, is the tale of Carl the caterpillar and his extraordinary shoes. So remember, no matter how small you may feel, with a little love and kindness, you can shine as bright as the stars in the sky. Good night, sweet dreams, and may your heart always be filled with love. The end.